The Swiss S450 steam humidifier provides humidification of the air in the room and is especially distinguished by the following features. High humidification output up to 550 grams per hour, suitable for room sizes up to 60 square meters. Child-friendly thanks to hand-warm steam. Auto and Econ mode with hygrostat. Decalcification mode. Automatic display dimmer. Maintenance indicators for water level and cleaning cycle. The powerful steam humidifier system heats water to the boiling point. The generated steam is free of bacteria and minerals. Filter mats and water additives are not required. The steam humidifier guarantees the most hygienic air humidification independent of the quality and hardness of the water. The unit is switched on and off by touching the on-off button. After it is switched on, the S450 is in auto mode, allowing it to automatically select the appropriate output level in order to reach a relative humidity of 50% as soon as possible. The value of 50% can be changed at any time by using the arrow buttons, with CO for continuous operation or selectable between 70 and 30%. The S450 operates particularly energy efficient when set to Econ mode, only on output levels low or medium in order to reach a relative humidity of 45%. The desired relative humidity can also be changed by using the arrow buttons. Thanks to the integrated hygrostat, the S450 switches off automatically when the desired level is reached. The display shows desired and current. If the relative humidity falls below the desired level, the unit will automatically restart. If the unit is switched off, the current relative humidity can be displayed by using one of the arrow buttons. To change the output levels, L for low, M for medium, and H for high, you can switch the S450 to manual mode. The desired operating time of 0 to 9 hours can be selected with the timer button. If the unit is switched on, the switch-off time can be entered with the off timer. The display shows the time remaining until the automatic switch-off. The on timer can be used on the switched-off unit to enter the switch-on time. The unit display shows the remaining time until the automatic switch-on. The S450 has two additional highlights. A variety of essential oils can be used in the fragrance container. The Swiss S450 has to be decalcified less often because the anti-mineral pad binds the lime. The pad needs to be replaced when it is hardened, every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the water hardness. If the water falls below the minimum level, the S450 shuts off automatically. The empty water symbol indicates that water needs to be refilled. The cleaning symbol indicates that the S450 needs to be cleaned. The cover, water tank, fragrance container, and steam pipe need to be cleaned once a week. The anti-mineral pad must be removed before starting the decalcification mode. To clean the unit, we recommend to use exclusively Calc Off, which is especially composed for air humidifiers. Mix the decalcifying agent Calc Off with clean and hot water, 1 pack per 1 liter. Pour the Calc Off mixture into the water base. Then reinsert the steam pipe and the unit cover. Push the on-off button for 5 seconds and the unit changes to the decalcification mode. The cleaning duration can be changed with the arrow button to between 1 and 9 hours. The device heats the Calc Off mixture several times to ensure a thorough decalcification. After the decalcification period, the display shows a value of 0 hours and the cleaning symbol blinks rapidly. The decalcification mode is ended by the on-off button. The water tank can also be cleaned very efficiently with calc off. After draining, rinse the parts carefully with clear water. Please ensure that no water enters into the ventilation opening. A damp cloth is best suited for surface cleaning. After the S450 is reassembled, it can be refilled with water. Aero Swiss S450, improving your quality of life.